In order to punch in using the time clock feature, select your username, select time clock, and then input your password. It's much similar to logging into the LilYPad system. You can see the exact time that you clocked in, and now to clock out, it's the same process. Select your username, type in your password, and select the time clock. And it will tell you the exact time of that as well. So now we'll just log into the LilYPad. Now to manage the features within the time clock, go to the Manage tab at the top and select Manage Time Clock. And you can see that you can choose an employee's name and then search their name and see their clock ins and clock out times. You can delete them or you can edit them. So editing, you can just change the times or dates for whatever reason that they need to be changed, and then add a different day, and you can add notes as well. So you can also manually add an entry as opposed to using the time clock feature at the login screen. You just got to follow the template that's shown here. Use a 24-hour clock and any additional notes. Now go to Employee Schedule in the Manage tab to view and edit the employee schedule. You can see here all the employee times that have been input. Now to add one, just select the employee, select the shift date, and select the start and end time. In here you can put any additional notes that need to be put in and select Add Shift. You can see here that the new entry has been added. Now you can also print reports. Just select the Print Report button and it will bring you to the report page. So there's two that pertain to the employees. So you can either select Show All or just for an individual employee. We'll just do it for a month. So you can see here the schedule for all the employees for the entire month, and you can choose to print it. Now we'll view the other employee report, which is the employee time clock report. Has the same fields. You just select a date and choose to show all, or an individual employee. You can see all the specific punch in and punch out times. Now you can choose to either print this or export it as a CSV file.